Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a video in Framer and explore the available options. First, open Framer and click on the Insert button. Under the Media section, you'll find the video element. You can simply drag and drop it onto your project. You can increase the size of the video by holding down the Shift key to keep the proportions and the Option key to center it. Once the video element is added, let's go through the options on the right column. Starting from the top, you can add a URL to link a hosted video file. If you want to add a YouTube or Vimeo video, you will need to use their specific components. You can also upload a video directly from your computer. To do this, click on Upload and select the video file from your device. Once the video is added, you'll see options for controlling the video playback. You can choose whether the video will play automatically when the page loads or if the user needs to click to start the video. If the video does not play automatically, you'll want to enable the controls, allowing the user to start or pause the video, adjust the volume, enter full screen mode, or change the playback speed. You can also enable picture-in-picture mode for the video. Next, you can upload a custom thumbnail or poster, as it's called in Framer. This is the preview image shown before the video starts playing. If you have transparency in the video, you can change the background color using the settings. You can also adjust the corner radius of the video. This means you can round off the corners either uniformly or for specific corners. For example, if you only want to round the top left and top right corners, you can do that by adjusting the individual corner radius values. Another useful feature is the ability to set a start time for the video. If you want the video to begin at a specific point, just adjust the start time. You can also set the video to loop, which means it will restart automatically when it finishes. This is especially helpful for animated backgrounds or looping content. There are options to control how the video fits within its container. You can choose from Cover, Fill, Contain, or Scale down, depending on how you want the video to appear in the layout. Finally, you can decide whether to show or hide the video controls and whether the video should be muted by default. If the video has sound, you can adjust the volume from 0 to 100%, depending on how loud you want the audio to play. That's how you add a video in Framer and make use of all the available options.